Yeah, hi lads. This is number 3. This is the number 3 one, and yeah. See, this is proper a 1254 there. You can see that. So yeah, I've done that one. Let me just start it up for you. There you go. Yeah, just turn that up. So yeah, it's another job for you. That's a job done on that one. I think on one of these 1254s, I did actually have to change the board because one of them weren't right anyway. So it's another thing that I've done there for you. I've not charged you for that. It's only because I've got tons of boards. I've literally got stacks of these things. You know, I've got so many of these boards here. So yeah, always got some spare bits. But yeah, but that's done for you anyway. So that's number 3. It's all fully working. And again, you got your your 6-month warranty on that, and you can see it going up. So if I go right up with that track, you can see the laser moving there. See that? So yeah, that's all working as it should be. So yeah, thanks again.